Hello and welcome to the Agent UI demo for Czentrix. Start with typing in your agent ID. Okay, and now in the URL, it will show that I'm logged in now as it shows the agent ID. And now use Softphone X Lite to log in. And after authentication by the X Lite, I'm logged in now into the agent UI. On top, we can see various fields available. That is the agent ID, call state, closure, agent state, number of calls made, call time, wrap time, pause time, and total pause time. And below that, the white space that you can see is for a ticker, where an admin can type message to broadcast all the agents. And there is date and time option on the right, and also the logout button. And on the left hand side of the screen, we can see there is agent information, which includes agent name, login time, and the campaign name. And there's also call information. Here it states the agent state, that is, he is in the ready state at the moment. And below that, there are 5 icons, which I'll be explaining to you now. The first icon is to preview scheduled calls in the manual mode. Second icon is for dialer scheduled calls. That is the calls that are scheduled for today, but through the dialer mode. Third is the messaging tab, which is for the agents to message each other. And the fourth tab is for the agent dashboard, and it's for agent to monitor his or her performance for the day. Selecting this, we can see performance for the current day, and also the basic disposition, login time, etc. And the last fifth icon is the conferencing button, and it's used for supervised conference. And below that, we have calls in queue button. It shows information about number of calls in queue and duration of call that has been in queue the longest. And below that, we have the free agents, busy agents, wrapped agents, locked agents, agents in preview, paused agents, and not ready agents. Now I'll make myself available to take on the call by clicking the ready button. There are basically 2 modes of dialing, that's preview and progressive. As we can see, the call state is free. That means that I'm free to receive or make calls now. Switching on to the preview mode, for manually dialing out the call, click on Make New Call, enter a phone number to dial out, and click Dial. As I dial the number, option will appear, Add Customer as a lead, and adding that customer and creating that lead. Now once the number is dialed out, basic CRM will appear on dialing the number, and it's completely customizable CRM, which can be customized according to the client's needs. Information regarding the dial number is automatically populated, and if we have fed that information into the database, it will also be auto-populated. And also, if the information about the customer is already available, then it will appear on the left hand side and will also be auto-populated. Admin can also see if the agent is in call in the admin panel. As it's displayed here, agent number 3001 is in call at the moment. And now in the next call and time page, we can add dates and times for the next call. We can add comments and dispositions and sub-dispositions. And also agent can choose if the next call should be a preview call, dial to anyone or to myself, etc. Call has been disconnected now, and we can see the wrap time has started. And agent's call state is closure now. Now if we switch to admin UI, we can see that agent state is also showing closure. Agent can also transfer the call to extension through transfer to extension tab. Apart from that, there are other buttons that are present there, that is save information, disconnect, and redial. Agent can choose the break time from here by selecting this option and the type of break he's going for. For example, lunch break, tea, and duration of each break is different so that each agent can have some flexibility. And on the left hand side in the call information section, we can see that call is in queue now. And by clicking on the call in queue, we can see the information about the customer, phone number, and queue enter time. Now going into the progressive mode, call is now auto answered, and CRM again is visible on the screen, and it is customizable like I mentioned earlier. And all other the functionalities are the same. Now when opting for a break, agent state is changed to paused, and the same will reflect on the admin UI. Pause time has started now, and when the agent is ready again, then the total amount of time he has paused will be added to the current total pause time. Agent state is on break, and it's to show the state of the agent in the agent UI. So that was the Czentrix agent UI demo. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.